Home Remedies presents Perfect Flaxseed Hair Gel. This natural hair gel does not leave product buildup in your hair and boosts hair growth. Benefits of flaxseed: restores volume and shine, defrizzes hair, promotes healthy hair growth, prevents premature graying, mixes well with other oils and butters, defines curls while maintaining softness. How to make flaxseed hair gel? You will need 1/4 cup of flax seeds, 2 cups of filtered water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Procedure: put the flax seeds and water in a saucepan, and once it starts to boil, let it simmer for 10 minutes on low heat. Stir continuously during simmer. When the mixture reaches gel-like consistency, remove from heat after 10 minutes and leave it to cool. Once cool, strain the gel in a jar with a strainer or more perfectly using a cheesecloth. Add the lemon juice and stir the mixture. Refrigerate the resulting mixture. How to use: if you have particularly dry scalp and dull, lifeless hair, apply the resulting gel to your hair every day in order to keep your hair conditioned and healthy. Use it as a topical treatment for your scalp to boost hair growth. Repeat this daily. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.